With a dispenser cleaned and sanitized, you're ready to reassemble. Begin with a condensing tray. Place the front edge of the tray in the slot and lift the rear until it snaps into place. Next, you will need to secure the condensing tray by pulling and rotating the latches forward. Now you're ready to install the dispense levers. Insert the lever into the condensed tray using both hands to guide. To secure and ensure proper function, be sure the flanges of the dispense levers rest in the condensate tray holders. Now install the channel cover, inserting the top first, then bottom to slide securely in place. Then install the drip tray and cover. When installing the bowls, make certain they rest flush and level with the top edge. Now let's assemble the pump. Begin by aligning the flat edge of the inner pump cover with the outer pump cover. Then, place the pump impeller so the smooth side of the impeller faces outward. Complete the pump assembly by aligning the flat edge of the pump axle, same as the inner and outer pump cover. Insert the pump axle in the bottom and push through until it snaps and locks into place. Place the assembled pump in the bowl, making certain to align the bowl guides with the pump assembly ports. To install the dispense valves, you will need some non-stick cooking spray to prevent the O-ring from sticking and causing the valve to leak. Don't be shy during this step. Heavily spray the dispense valve and O-ring so it's sopping wet. And place the dispense valve in the bowl dispense valve port. Return the front plate beginning with the bottom edge first while lifting upward and pushing forward until it snaps into place. Now the dispenser is ready to be filled with critical reload.